In NotebookLM, one source can become many learning formats. You can upload the same document and turn it into the audio overview, a study guide, flashcards, or a quiz. That matters because people do not all learn the same way. Sometimes you want to read the summary. Sometimes you want to listen while walking or commuting. And sometimes you want to test yourself with questions. NotebookLM gives you more than one way to absorb the same information. So the simple idea is this. With NotebookLM, your documents become easier to read, easier to hear, easier to practice, and easier to remember. Thanks for watching. I truly hope this video helped explain the concept clearly. If you still have questions though, or if you have suggestions on how this could be explained even better, please leave them in comments. Consider subscribing to online training for everyone and joining a community of people who want to better understand how things work, build useful skills, and keep getting smarter. And if this video was helpful, please give it a like and share it. It helps YouTube show the video to other people who may need to learn the same thing. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video.